Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about data types in Python. Let's start our class. Data types in Python refer to the classification of data stored in variables. Data types tells us the nature of the data we are storing. Types of data types. Numeric types. Int, integer type of whole numbers. Float, floating point type of decimal numbers. Complex, complex number type for complex numbers with real and imaginary parts. Sequence types. str, string type for text. List type for ordered immutable sequences of items. Tuple, tuple type for ordered immutable sequences of items. Range type for representing an immutable sequence of numbers. Mapping type. Dictionary type for unordered collections of key value pairs. Set types. Set type for ordered unordered collections of unique items. Frozen set. Immutable set type for unordered collections of unique items. Boolean type. Bool. Boolean type for truth values, example true and false. Binary types. Bytes. Immutable byte sequence. Byte array. Mutable byte sequence. Memory view. Memory view object that allows Python code to access the internal data of an object that supports the buffer protocol without copying.